Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Life Flip. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, how to keep yourself mentally positive. So let's get started. Here is a tip number 1, stay away from toxic people. We all have toxic people in our lives who can't be avoided, whether it be a parent or parent-in-law, a sibling or a sibling spouse, or a friend. Dealing with toxic people is not easy and coping skill takes time to develop. Toxic people only have the power to upset you if you allow them to upset you. Even if you can't distance yourself physically, you always have the control to keep yourself emotionally distanced. Identifying such people in your life is a first step on the way of desensitizing from their words and action. Try to set limits and boundaries for them to keep you mentally fit and healthy. Here is the tip number 2. Get enough sleep. Sleep plays a crucial function in maintaining good health and well-being throughout your life. Getting sufficient quality of sleep at the right time can help protect yourself and mental health, quality of life, and your physical or emotional well-being. During sleep, your body is working to support healthy brain function and maintain your physical health as well. The right amount of sleep improves work efficiency and perks up daily routine work and keep you fresh throughout the day. In this picture, you can see how good sleep helps you to improve physical health, improve your memory, increase energy, and make your immune system better. Point number 3 is socialize with positive people. Socialization has many effects on individual behavior and personality, so I suggest you to keep yourself surrounded by those who help you to grow in every aspect of life, whether it is personal or professional. Optimistic and constructive socialization is a type of social learning that is based on pleasure and exciting experiences. We tend to like the people who fill our social learning processes with positive motivation, care, love, and pleasing occasion. Here is a point number 4. Support others. Play a constructive role in a society. Being human, we all have the responsibility to help each other instead of pulling each other down. There is no exercise better for the heart than reaching down and lifting people up. Be aware of your surrounding. If anybody needs help, don't wait till they request you to help instead. Offer your help and offer precise ways that you would like to help them. You have not lived today until you have done something for someone who can never repay you. Here is tip number 5, and that is meditation. Meditation is a vital way to purify and quiet the mind, thus rejuvenating the body. Meditation is a natural method to place the human soul in conscious contact with God, who is within man and filter through the entire universe. Meditation gives peace against the stresses of everyday life and allows us to enter the deepest door and heavenly part of ourselves. Tip number 6. Spend quality time with your loved ones. Spending time with the family is the most important time that helps you to reduce stress. Spending time with family builds up family ties stronger. Also, families who enjoy group activities will create a strong relationship and handle stressful situations. Unfortunately, it is being observed that adults and kids both spend more than 3 hours approximately on social media each day. You may be disheartened to learn that the average family spends a fraction of their time together each day. Tip number 7. Involve in stress-reducing activities. Art is one of the greatest activities to elevate your mood. Coloring, sketching, painting, or anything associated with art and craft help you to keep your mind stress-free. Many people who are artistically inclined say that the creation of their art is a wonderful stress reliever. The creation of art can provide a catharsis for difficult emotions, distraction from stressful thoughts. Even those who are not artistically inclined can still benefit from artistic creation. Here's a tip number 8. Seek professional help if you need it. Sometimes people do not understand or acknowledge their mental health problems or take it lightly. It is important to identify whether their negative mood and mental stress are persistent, that disturb their daily routine, or is just temporary state of mind. If you are facing constant negative emotion, then do not hesitate to seek professional help. Mental health is as important as your physical health. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel so that you can watch our further videos. Thank you very much.